Welcome to Grammar Booklet Level 1D. In this book, the student should complete 2 pages each day. In this book, the student will learn the days of the week and months of the year, verbs, and writing and abbreviating dates. Our first section is days of the week and months of the year, so we'll begin with days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. It's important to know the order: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's very important to remember to always capitalize the first letter of days of the week. The days of the week have special abbreviations. Remember, an abbreviation is just a shortened version of a word. An abbreviated day of the week must have a capitalized first letter and a period at the end. Here's an example. Monday is abbreviated to MON with a capital M and a period showing that it's an abbreviation. Here's an example of what it would look like in a sentence with Thursday. Thursday abbreviated is THURS. Notice that there is a capitalized T and a period following the abbreviation. Next, we have months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. The 12 months go into specific order: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And always remember to capitalize the first letter of months of the year. The months of the year also have special abbreviations. An abbreviated month of the year also must have a capitalized letter and a period at the end. Here's an example. February is shortened to Feb, so the abbreviation Feb must have a capitalized F and a period at the end. Here's an example in a sentence. We'll arrive on Friday, June 29th. Notice that June is abbreviated to JUN and that the J is capitalized and there's a period at the end of the abbreviation. Next, we have verbs. A verb is an action word. So a verb is something you can do. Here's a list of a couple of examples: run, hop, write, eat, sleep, and read. Notice how those all show action. They're all doing something. Here's an example of how to find a verb in a sentence. The little boy ran. What did the little boy do? The little boy ran. So ran would be your verb. Lastly, we have written dates. This can be very tricky, so it's very important to pay close attention to the rules. When writing dates, you'll always need to use commas. Commas separate things which don't belong together. That's an easy way to remember where to put commas. For example, Tuesday is a day of the week and March is a month of the year. Those do not belong together, so you separate them with a comma. Then we have March 14th and 2008. Now those do not belong together because 14th is showing us which day of March it was, and 2008 is the year. So since the month and the year do not belong together, we separate them with a comma. And last but not least, we have abbreviated written dates. This is the trickiest part about writing dates, but if you pay close attention to the rules, it can be easy. Written dates which are abbreviated will need periods and commas. Pay close attention to where you place which. The period will always come before the comma. In this example, we're given Tuesday, March 14th, 2008. Notice that Tuesday and March are both abbreviated, so they must be capitalized and followed by a period. So let's look at Tuesday. Make sure you place the period before the comma. The period will abbreviate Tuesday, and the comma will separate Tuesday from March. Next, we have March 14th. Notice that March is abbreviated with a capital M and a period following the abbreviation. 14 is a number, so it obviously does not need a period for an abbreviation. So we just follow 14th, or the day of the month, with a comma, separating it from the year.